Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
Today we are going to make an adjustable brightness controlled LED light. We have a micro switch for adjusting the brightness. For each micro switch press, the brightness will change. We can make a maximum of 10 level of brightness, but here I am wiring for 4 level brightness. The circuit is wired using a CD4017 decade counter. You can see the fifth level, which is pin number 10, is connected to the 15th pin, which is reset pin of the IC. If you want 10 level brightness, then you need to use all 10 pin output of CD4017 IC. You can watch the right side above video for knowing all the 10 output of the IC. I will also add the link in the description box. And here we are using a 4 volt 5 watt LED which has pretty high brightness. The LED is driven using BD139 NPN transistor. The circuit is powered using a 3.7 volt 18650 lithium ion battery. The brightness is controlled using the resistors connected at the output pin of the IC. We have connected 18 kilo ohm for very low brightness and 820 ohm for very high brightness. Actually, what we are doing is by changing the base bias current of the transistor BD139, and thus we are changing the brightness of the LED. I have wired the connections. This is the micro switch which is going to use for changing the brightness. This is on off switch. This is BD139 and this is 4 volt 5 watt LED, and this one is decade counter CD4017. Let's switch it on and see how this is working. You can see the LED has light up, and by pressing the micro switch you can see the LED brightness is changing. As I told earlier, we have 4 level of brightness. We can use this as an emergency light as well as night lamp. The 1 and 4007 diodes which are connected at the output pin of the IC is used for blocking the output pin to work as a current sink. This is the pin out of BD139 NPN transistor. It can handle maximum of 1.5 ampere with proper heatsink. I will solder the transistor, diodes and resistors to the decade counter PCB and will come back. I have completed the soldering of the circuit to the common PCB. I have also given a small heatsink to BD139 transistor. We don't require this much heatsink, only half part is enough. Now we need a box for packaging everything. This box I have made from multiwood. It has enough space for packaging everything inside this, and also it is compact in size. I will tell you about the measurement of the box. The breadth is 7 cm, the length is 10.5 cm, and the height is around 5 cm including the base part.
If you have any idea of packaging this circuit, please comment your idea under this video.
Subscribe the channel for more things like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making new things like this for you. We need a BMS module as well for charging the battery. Apply a small amount of heatsink component into the LED, and we are going to fix this LED in the heatsink using a glue gun.
If you like our video, please click like button. If you do not like our video, click dislike button.
This is night mode testing, and the brightness is even higher than my expectation. I am fully satisfied with the brightness of this LED.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.